for LPG. Play not yet developing for them. Makati has to find a way and he sinks the layup.
Wow. On the other hand, ito naman si Tyler Teo. Let's look at that move of Sean Manganti first. Wow.
Norbert Torres open for three. That's short. Another big rebound for Raul Soyuz.
Both of them have been very physical all throughout this ball game. They've been bumping. They've protecting that basketball. Could have been called for the foul right there.
Yun. Tapos tinamaan pa dito sa pisngi itong si Raul Soyuz.
And you gotta love the referees also getting in between the two players.
Yun lang yung nangyari, no? Hindi man binitawan, medyo Jordan Clarkson itong si Raul Soyuz na umamba.